In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide or disable the VPN button in the Brave web browser. It's super simple, and you'll have it done in just a few clicks, so let's jump right in. First, open up the Brave browser, and click on the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Next, on the left-hand side, click on Appearance. Next, select Customize your toolbar. Now, over on the right, scroll down until you see Show VPN button in the toolbar. Go ahead and click that toggle to turn it off. Once it's grayed out, you're all set. And that's it. Quick, simple, and done in under a minute. As always, thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Take care, see you next time.